who have
News
visited
24
Oxford,
Urdu.
London School of Business, other Ivy League institutions in UK. But Government of India has decided to decline permission to visit USA. I have applied, I have given proper format to MEA. But simple single line, they have told that they have given that clearance from political angle is declined. What is the meaning of political decline? What is the reason of political? The reason is that I belong to Congress party, I belong to Telangana state. Narendra Modi and Bhupendra Patel belongs to Gujarat. He has given permission to visit Gujarat Chief Minister to US. Last 1 week, almost 8 days, he is traveling around Canada and US. He is conducting road shows in US to invest in Gujarat. But whereas they have refused to give permission to travel US for Telangana. Unfortunate, but they have done deliberately. We are not seeing it is casual. There is a political reason. They are creating obstructions to invest in Telangana. They wanted to send a message to the globe saying that we are going to tolerate whoever is going to invest in Telangana, they are going to punish them. I've seen all these 30 months. They are reluctant to cooperate with Telangana development. That may be Triple R, that may be Metro Rail, that may be any other angle. Why? Because Narendra Modi is thinking that he is an ambassador for Gujarat. He doesn't want to grow any other parts of the country. He only said that Viksit Bharat 2047, Sabka Saath, Sabka Vikas. Where is that Vikas? Why you have refused to allow me to travel US? What is the reason? The reason is simple. They don't want to grow any state beyond a point. They don't want to allow anyone to invest in Telangana state. But unfortunately, my friends from BJP, from Telangana, they are making derogatory comments, allegations against Telangana and Telangana Chief Minister. This is not individual issue. This is the issue of Telangana. They have to understand. They got elected from Telangana. People have